Yep.
Yeah.
100%. Feed blew right off. Go away. That ain't good. Alright, so we're broke down. Took Bean out for a rip, me and Trav. And yeah, I put a boost tee in.
For 10 pounds?
Yeah, so we're up around 9 pounds and made a pull on it. Felt good. We're just gonna go wash it, you know? And
Also, the oil light came on.
you can see this mess. Yeah, oil light came on. Clamp is supposed to be tight. Apparently I forgot to tighten that. That's off the feed. So, rookie mistake. Luckily, boys at our local gas station here hooked me up with a screwdriver to see if we can patch it up. And had to go in and buy all 5 liters and made a mess in their parking lot. But, oh, whatever. Such it is. Where's that view when it's blazing hot?
Yeah.
So I got the line tightened up as much as I'm gonna get it tightened up, which is as tight as it'll go. So either work or it'll cut the line and it will be this again. Either way, not great. I'm just gonna chug some oil into her and hope I didn't spin any bearings. It was ripping good though. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
10 pounds? Oh, she's pulling pretty good, boy. Made me smile. So that's always mint. Next. Yeah, the line blew right off the feed for the turbo, so let an oil light shut her down, and then we had to limp it, you know, half a block or whatever.
Yeah, pretty much.
But hopefully we got it in
Good thing
time.
dash lights
But yeah,
still work.
just dumped all over the street.
Video underneath the car.
Oh, it's gross. Yeah, I'll show you underneath the car. Like, oh, buddy. Rough. Whatever, we're going to the car wash right now anyway. Get her washed up, and the hair's crazy, but I don't want to touch it because my hands are full of oil.
Yeah, you wearing your clean clothes yet?
Yeah, never stopped me, but you know. Alright, so we dumped a grand total of 3 liters out on the street. And I bought 5 because I didn't know how many I was going to need, so I got some spares here, but I'll fire it up and see if it works. Come on, darling. Wait for it. There, oil light's out. That took longer than I was hoping it would. Hooah!
Doesn't seem to be leaking.
Okay. Looks good. I mean, how can we even tell? I guess it'd be geysery. Well, I don't know if the oil light comes back on, I guess. Whatever, the car wash is a block away.
Yeah. Good. I think so. Yeah, oil light's back on.
Wow, what the hell? Made it 5 feet. Shit.
Oh, there's.
Oh, she's really pissing that one. Yeah, blew it right off again. Really? I don't even know where the clamp is. Shoot. Well, it was fun. We got her all patched up, fixed up. It was pretty good for about 4 seconds. And then we just pulled out and moved around the corner, and the line blew off again. I clamped it too far up on the nozzle or nipple, I guess, whatever it is. Yeah, I clamped it a little far up, so it clamped the steel part of it, and then the hose kind of just blew off and dumped out 3 liters in 15 feet. So So we made a little bit of a mess. I mean,
The mess is in there from when I went to go look for the clamp.
yeah, we got a roll of paper towel, used half of it trying to clean up, so we did what we could, but still I feel kind of bad for their parking lot. Anyway, now we're gonna try and make her to the car wash, which is another 20 feet that way.
Well guys, it might be a little hard to hear, but we made it 20 feet from our spot, and now we're gonna give her a nice bath. Success, we washed the car.
Yeah, it took like an hour and a half.
10-minute road trip turned into 2 hours. Oh yeah, careful, there's that big bump there, or that big hole.
Hands are so oily.
Yeah, everything's slippery.
Yeah.
And then you get that wax on it too, and then so nice for the odd time that it dies.
Well, I don't see a huge oil trail going that way, so.
Yeah, that big smile, look at that.
Get into it. It just makes me happy. I'm gonna have to get some hydraulic line for that oil feed
Yeah.
or something. It wasn't so cheap I get an actual line made. A little bit left foot braking, keeping it running.
Haha.
That's annoying.
just ready to party.
Good. Now if it breaks down, it'll break down in front of your house.
Mint.
You talking? It's a differential. All right, bud. So what's going on here?
Well, this is my 92 EG6 straight from Japan, right-hand drive. It had a B16 in it for about 10 years, and then I decided to go all-wheel drive with a K series, and I put a K24 out of a 2008 TSX. It has full wagon drive line from the transfer case back. It's factory wagon axles in the back. It's got the wagon rear diff. It's got the CRV cables and shift box.
So it rips pretty good, eh?
Oh yeah, she's quick, but we're having fuel pump problems, so that's why it's not on the road currently.
Well, we've got to get that sorted out. Let's go.
Working on it.
Bud, well, drive safe and hope you make her home. I'll make her. Don't you worry.
Hey, bud.
See you later.
Peace out.
Come on, Chico. Let's go. The windshield is great. You just see everything real good. Bump. It's not fast, but it is pretty fun. Goes pretty good. Let myself in. Well, that was not bad. I always hate, it's definitely smoking. I'm sure there's oil all soaked into my heat wrap. Nasty. That's gross. Have to open the hood. But anyway, so I think it was running right around 9-10 pounds when we come up into it. Seems to be alright. This is worrying me. I'm just seeing smoke coming out from every part of my hood. We'll make this quick before the car starts on fire. She's running good, except for the minor breakdown, which took an hour and I got filthy and destroyed a parking lot. But other than that, it was fun. Alright, thanks for sticking around.